guys, good morning. Trying to refresh mental well-being. I mean, it's all that's happened to me for the past few days, few weeks. I'm right here in Lataban, Circumferential Road, going to Cabadiangan. So two barangays. We're traversing two barangays, and there's a bunch of uphills and downhills here. Great trail. The road is being renovated, improved. So yeah, and it's being widened too. It's under road widening. So yeah, I'm just trying to show you the trail. It's not that hard. Of course, there's some obstacles that you have to overcome, but they're pretty much easy, except for the dogs. There's a group of dogs just right in front of me. Right, here we go. Shifting gears to the granny gear. Uphill, guys. Uphill jutaan eh. Aliyahon. Woo. Ah. Woo. That's good. Feels so good. Woo. Woo. After a week, karmo ko balik ko. Oh, bike. Ah. Yeah. Ah. Oh. Ah. Oh. All right, another uphill. Here we go. Ah. Ah. Aliyahon. And ako'y clients una guys. Ang ilang podcast is all about women, perimenopausal stage, o kanang stress management. One of her advices is actually to train your body to handle, daily life stress by exercising. So only another uphill. Whew. All right, turn the volume up. Here you go. Ha. Another kapila ni katulo. Third uphill. Sun is up. I'm glad to see the sun. Sun is back. Ah. Whew. Morning. Whew. Katulo na to. Buya. Buya. Downhill ta guys. Whew. So, ayun sa tadi. Isa ko kamera. Whew. Check out the Strava. If not on. The Strava. Alright. Whew. Third uphill. Ano na to? Grabe. Major. Okay. Relax today. Breathe in. Breathe out. Tara. Sabay ka nakaward ma. Huwag sa takadali ma ha. Huwag ta sa stress. Kinajigid aghang suwato ng proposal. Lima o nang gatay pass karon Wednesday. So stress free ako. Ito mga proposal sa kapag ko budget tanan ideas. Di lang kaya na nato. Focus sa karon sa work for the next 3 days. Alright, another climb. Shifting now. Alright, here we go. It's a minor climb. It's just a nagkumpiyansa. Well, thank you. Shout out to Dr. RJ Noval, my health mentor and my bike mentor. Um, yeah, so mo niyang giingon no na mo niyang balik-balikan yung trail. Kung last year na nag-training pa siya. Balikan ni Dr. RJ. Thank you, Doc. Oh, ano din akong big announcement. I know it's not that timely, but guys, I'm signing a deal with RJ. Good morning. Good morning. Alright, so it's pretty slippery. Look at the people in the bukid, being happy, contented with what they have. Look at pulos trabaho, pulos negosyo. Okay. So, good morning. So yeah, here's my big announcement, guys. This is really timely, but I know you guys are maybe scrolling your Lazada or Shopee app because it's a 10/10 sale. So maybe you're trying to check out or something. Please order. Yeah, so I'm about to launch a USANA. You heard that right? USANA. Fitness deals. I mean vitamins deals. Yeah, food supplements deals. Yeah, trying to become a business center of USANA. So I'll be opening 3 business centers and in becoming a business distributor. Good morning. Buntag. So guys, distributor na ko sa USANA. Now, I'm opening not just 1 but 3 business centers for USANA, and that will qualify me as an independent distributor. Okay guys, so I'll be sharing with you my journey, my fitness journey, weight loss, keeping myself healthy, with biking, and of course regularly taking my USANA supplements. Okay guys, so on our way to Kainsit. Layo pa din Kainsit. It's slippery, steepy road. Medyo it's risky here. Patsanahan going to Cabadiangan. Concrete naman siya guys. So muna siya no. You're traversing the Lataban, Barangay Lataban and Cabadiangan Circumferential Road. It's a good trail for bikers, cyclists. Actually, pwede na ninyo madayin yung RV dali. No, careful lang sa mga muddy, slippery areas kay medyo may kaming okay. So guys, katong nag-RV, you can actually bring your RVs here. It's very good. It's a good trail. Di lang kita pa ko sobrang kay lisod i-brakes. I-brake na to, ikapayat ko sa brake kay. It's really super. Karon pa nagpakita si sun. So, hinahinay lang ta. Slippery na yun guys. Pero guys, nag-ilis ko po headset. Brand sa headset ron kaya nag-usap. Was advised by my mechanic Ralph Vincent Ruiz. Yeah, Ruiz. O Barang. Puro kakasyan, low production, Liloan. RV na siya. Bikers na siya. Alright guys. So, diri, enjoy lang ta. Wala kayo nag-trail karon diri. Compared sa other times nga dili magulan daghan trail, pero karon it's very quiet. Ang buntag kamay ra kay nangagi bikers na
di pa tayo dagat to sila nga
kan dangog manggod